So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to cancel a McDonald's order. So first of all, open up your McDonald's app, and from here you can see home, my M, food, restaurant, and more. From this page you can go ahead and click on my M, and on the my M page you can see some rewards, some deals, and so on. You can also check out your orders. From here, you can also go to the more section. You can see personal details, password security, rewards, and personalized deals, communication settings, delete account, and log out. Now on here, I suggest you set up your payment info as well. Now through the app, and you will find the order in the order history tab. From there, you can even check the order status. It's going to look something similar to your M once you set it up. From there, you can cancel the order. If your payment has already gone through, you can't cancel it right away. And if the preparation is done, you can't cancel the order at that time. Now, on the McDonald's app, there's a few things you can do. By going to the screen to find restaurants, you will see it on here, and you can contact the restaurant to cancel your order, or you can even contact them to make some changes to your order. But through here, once you do make the order, make sure it's something you really want, since canceling may be an issue at that time. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on McDonald's or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.